Are you ready to elevate your home to the next level? Today, we're going to explore 6 genius hidden rooms and secret furniture that will transform your living space. From secret wine cellars to hidden RV garages, we've got it all covered. Let's dive in. Spiral wine cellar. Have you ever dreamed of having a wine cellar in your home but don't have the space for it? Look no further than the spiral wine cellar. This amazing underground cellar can hold up to 1,900 bottles of your favorite wines. The design is not only functional but also stunning, making it a perfect addition to any home. Plus, it's energy efficient and eco-friendly. The wine cellar's temperature is stable and doesn't consume power for cooling or ventilation. A spiral cellar is for those who want a classic and impressive solution for perfect storage of your wine. Installing a spiral wine cellar in your home starts at around $17,000. Hidden pool. Imagine having a pool in your backyard that is completely hidden when not in use. That's exactly what this hidden pool offers. This innovative pool system is a custom job that can be installed in a variety of spaces, including rooftops and courtyards. At first, it looks like any other paved floor, but with just the touch of a button, the floor begins to shift downwards into the ground, revealing a stunning swimming pool. It's the perfect addition to any modern minimalist home. DUKIN HIDEOUT. Do you struggle with keeping your outdoor waste bins out of sight? Then check out this DUKIN HIDEOUT from DUKIN. It's a waste enclosure that blends in with your outdoor decor and keeps your bins out of sight, but you can use it for more than just trash cans. It can be used as storage for bicycles, lawnmowers, barbecues, or any other outdoor tools your home lacks the space for. It's perfect for those who don't have a lot of outdoor space but want to keep their home looking tidy. Plus, it's made from durable materials that will last for years. Get yours today for just $699. Car dock car lift. If you're a car enthusiast, the car dock car lift is a must-have. This car lift system allows you to park your car underground, leaving your driveway free and clear. It's a hydraulic lift system that can be installed under your driveway, allowing you to park 2 cars on top of each other. It's strong enough to lift up to 6,000 pounds, and it's built to withstand harsh weather conditions. The system is fully automated and can be installed in a new or existing home. The car dock car lift is the perfect solution for those who want to maximize their garage space. Prices vary depending on the size and complexity of the installation. Home elevator. Are you tired of climbing up and down the stairs every day, or perhaps you think it's just cool to have an elevator in your home, but until now you thought it was out of your price range? Then check out this home elevator from Stilts of SW, Texas. It's designed to fit into tight spaces and is easy to install. It's perfect for those with mobility issues or anyone who wants to add a touch of comfort to their home. Thanks to its sleek and modern design, you'll look like you're being teleported into the next floor. Plus, at $9,000, it's much more affordable than you might think. Hidden bookcase door with lift. You might have only seen secret bookcases in Hollywood films, but these can be a really fun and functional storage solution. The secret doorway is not only a clever way to hide a room, but it's also a great space saver. With the push of a button, the bookshelf rises up and reveals a secret room. It's perfect for a home office, a cozy reading nook, or even a panic room. This one specifically comes with an elevator that will take you to the next floor without anyone noticing. And because they're fairly uncommon, they make a great talking point when you have visitors. That's if you want them to know about your secret. PL TV lift. Tired of staring at a blank screen when your TV isn't in use? The hidden TV from Future Automation is the perfect solution. This TV cabinet can be customized to fit your home's design aesthetic and is completely hidden when not in use. Thanks to the unique drop and roll lid system, the PL TV lift allows users to raise their screen out of a cabinet or joinery housing for viewing. Then stow it discreetly out of view when not in use. The TV can be lowered and raised with the touch of a button, providing a sleek and functional solution for your living space. Hidden RV garage. The lucky guy who owns this home has an RV port that is hidden by a custom-built Schweiss bifold door. The garage door seamlessly matches the exterior cladding of the house and looks like a regular wall when driving by. This innovative home design allows you to park your RV inside your home. The RV garage is hidden from view, providing a seamless and elegant look to your home. This unique home design is perfect for RV enthusiasts who want the convenience of having their vehicle at home without sacrificing space. Folding toilet. Are you living in a small apartment or house and struggle to find space for everything? Then you'll love this folding toilet from HIDEOUT. Not only is it a space saver, but it also adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom with its sleek design. When not in use, it folds up against the wall, making it perfect for tiny bathrooms or powder rooms. Plus, the installation process is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools. The manufacturer says every small or awkward space for a toilet installation is different. So, they supply the HIDEOUT frame for you to design and install the cabinet to house it. This gives you the control to make it specific to your space, design, and decor. In-wall storage. The trick to making the most out of your home is making use of hollow spaces. Well, this in-wall hidden storage solution uses lifts to transform this empty, unused space and implement some unique applications, such as in-wall memorabilia storage and an in-wall hidden jewelry cabinet. This not only keeps your valuables safe and out of sight, but also eliminates the need for a bulky safe. With its discreet design, it blends right into the wall and is virtually undetectable. Plus, it's customizable to fit your specific needs. Smart table. Do you wish you had a table that could do more than just hold your drinks and snacks? Then check out the Smart Table from Clever Storage. With its hidden compartments and built-in charging ports, it's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their space clutter-free. It's also great for those who work from home, as it can be used as a standing desk. Plus, its timeless design will complement any home decor. Hidden stone wall. Want to add a touch of mystery to your home? Then check out this hidden stone wall from Cellars. It's a beautiful way to hide a secret room or closet in plain sight. Plus, it's made from natural stone that will add texture and depth to your decor. It's perfect for those who want a unique and creative way to hide their belongings. Plus, your home will start to feel like an Indiana Jones adventure.